The way I like to think about square roots and simplifying them is that we want to find what number can we times to itself to equal what's in the square root. So for example, square root of 49, well, we know that 7 times 7 is 49. So therefore it took 2 7s to make this number, and 7 would be our result. Square root of 0, well, 0 times 0 is 0. Square root of 9 over 16. Now, if we have the square root of a fraction, it's the square root of the top over the square root of the bottom. Square root of 9, well, 9 is 3 times 3 if we did a factor tree. 16 is 4 times 4. So since 2 3's went in to make 9, our top becomes 3. 2 4's went in to make 16, our bottom becomes 4. So our final answer is 3/4. If I have the square root of 0.25, well, 0.25 is the same thing as 25 over 100 when we write it as a fraction. This 25 can be broken down to be 5 and 5, and 100 is 10 and 10. So this square root becomes 5 over 10, or simplified to 1/2. Negative square root of 64, this is 8 and 8. So the negative up front tacks on, this breaks down to 2/8, so the square root of it is 1/8. But what if I had the negative inside? We'll get more into this later, but this is actually not a real number. This stands for real, so not a real number.